everybody to Heather C's Kitchen. On today's video, guys, we're making some baked chicken thighs, and then I'm gonna put on top a little sauce for the finished product. But the seasonings we're going to be using today is going to be some organic minced onions. Also has some organic garlic salt. We're going to be using some Italian seasoning and some seasoning salt. And then we're going to let it all simmer. I mean, not simmer. We're going to let it soak and sit for a little bit in the olive oil with all these seasonings. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and get into the video. And you can season this in any order that you like. These are just the seasonings that I'm using today. And this is boneless, skinless chicken thighs, guys. Some garlic salt. And we're going to put a little Italian seasoning on there. This one wasn't open yet, guys, so I had to open it real quick. And we're going to be baking this in the oven at 425 degrees for about an hour. Put our minced onions on here. Also gonna put this olive oil on there, guys. Then we're going to mix it all together and let it sit for about 15 minutes before we place it in the oven. Alright, guys, go ahead and give it a good mixing so all your seasonings can be together. And once you mix it up, if you feel like you need to add some more seasoning, please feel free to do so, guys. And I'm going to add some more seasoning on mine since I just started out seeing that there's not quite enough for me. So I'm going to add me some more. Alright. We'll mix it up again with our hand. Alright, so you're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes, and then we'll get it in the pan and get that thing in the oven. Alright, guys, so the meat is done marinating, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan here. You can see they're just boneless thighs. It's only 6 of them. Excuse me, guys. right, so we're going to go ahead and put some foil on top and place that in the oven for an hour. And then we'll check it to see what it's doing, but it should be done because these are boneless and skinless chicken thighs. All right, so we'll put it in the oven and I'll be back once this chicken is done. All right, guys, so the chicken is done. What I ended up doing with the chicken, I ended up putting on a bed of spaghetti noodles with some red sauce, and then I put the chicken on top here, as you can see. And then I sprinkled a little bit of more red sauce on there. And there you have it, guys, a really nice, simple, quick, easy meal for the weeknight. This is prepared in about an hour and a half tops. And enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.